people are awesome. I love your people, man. You make my heart big, like joy, happiness, happiness. I love it when I get to hear your children too. That's so awesome. It's so beautiful. I love those sounds. And the children around my home, what I heard, I don't know if it's true, but I think it's true, that, yeah, it's owl. No, that wasn't an owl. That's one of your people. Yeah. Are they okay? They're okay. That's amazing. Holy shit, I've never heard anything like that. Holy shit, dude. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm just listening with my ear, that's all. This ear doesn't work. I can't hear with this ear. I'm amazed by your people, brother. Yeah. I know my sounds. I know the sounds. I know what that is not. That's not a coyote. It's not an elk. It's not a deer. That's not an owl. Yeah, that's one of your people. Unless it's one of the wolf people. Was that one of the wolf people? Oh, maybe it was. Yeah, I know they're around.